welcome to my channel. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I have shared some job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend and please subscribe my channel. And if you need job update, please join my Telegram group. This link I will paste in description box. Let's discuss our job update. Our first job is junior research analyst. This is for Gurugram, Haryana location and salary is 1.72 LPA per year, and this is full-time internship opportunity and work is Monday to Friday. How to apply, and this is all about qualification and requirement, and how to apply this job. You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Gurugram, Haryana location also, and salary is 3 LPA to 4 LPA per year, and this is full-time opportunity and day shift, and this is your job description. You can read here all, and experience need 1 to 3 year of experience you have need. And how to apply the job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is business analyst, and company name is Bipro Limited, and location is Hyderabad, Telangana, and this is full-time opportunity, and this is your job description and all. And how to apply the job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh location, and salary is 6k to 10k per month, and this is for fresher opportunity, and this is your job description. How to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is junior data analyst for Muzaffarnagar, Uttar Pradesh location, and salary is 5k per month. And this is part-time opportunity, and this is your job description and all. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is consumer insight and data analyst, and salary is 8 LPA to 10 LPA per year, and location is Mumbai, Maharashtra. This is also full-time opportunity and experience needed 2 to 4 year of experience you have need. And this is your job description and all, and you can read here. And this is your skill need. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for New Delhi location, and salary is 20k to 30k per month, and 30k per month. This is full-time opportunity for fresher, and this is your job description and all. This is your responsibility reporting MIS dashboard support and function and all, and this is that database. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is market data analyst. This is for Bengaluru, Karnataka location, and this is your job description and all. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Kerala location, and salary is 4 LPA to 9 LPA per year. This is also full time opportunity, and this is about company. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is IT security analyst. This is for location, remote location, and this is your job description, and salary is not mentioned in this job, but experience need 3 year plus of experience. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Surat location, and salary is 10k to 30k per month, and this is for a full-time regular and permanent opportunity, and experience that. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is business analyst for Ahmedabad, Gujarat location, and salary and experience in 1 to 2 year of experience. And how to apply, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is junior business analyst, Ahmedabad location, and how to apply, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail.